Okay, so here's this wine colored RIT dye, and I gotta say I think this is probably my least favorite kit so far, and I think I may have watered this down too much because as you can see I got neon pink, which I'm really not a big fan of pink. I love pale shabby chic pink and cream, but this I'm just not a huge fan of. So if you want to use this color, I would suggest really doing it thick at first and then thinning it down. So I think that's what happened. I don't know. Another thing that happened is, see all this rust spots? I kind of like that. I think it's kind of cool. Well, my pans are getting very rusted out now and old, and with some elbow grease this does come off. It takes a little bit of scrubbing, but I kind of like the rust. So that's how this ended up happening. And then I rinsed this twice. I rinsed it once and then dried it, and the pan created all the spots in the when I was drying it. And then I rinsed it again to get rid of the excess rust, and all of this got embedded into the paper. So that's what this looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music and do a flip through of this kit. So a couple things about this kit. It's not without its charm, that's for sure. It really is kind of a pretty kit. But I put coffee, I put water, vinegar, rusty bits, and then I put instant coffee in this dye bath. And I was really hoping for this wine color and some brown, and that's really not what I got. I got more of this gray and black, and I'm not sure why that is, but then again, it's eco dyeing. How can you ever tell? Also, I went and got a bouquet of flowers for this kit, and I really said in another video how I wanted to stay away from the colored ones because they stuck to that kit so bad, and some of the petals actually embedded themselves into the paper. It wasn't so much that it messed up the kit or anything, but it was enough to be really frustrating. And then that was my only option when I went to the store this time for these flowers. And so I went ahead and bought them, and then I didn't have any problems at all with them sticking. So it's just such a roll of the dice every time. Something I did a lot more of, the smaller blooms, I usually put my finger into the middle of the flower and push the petals out to flatten them because they get a little bit bulky. But I decided to do more of these at a side view where I just went ahead and let the whole flower get kind of mashed down, and I really love this look. So that is something else you can do. Here's a pretty good example of that right here. I like that look a lot. So, you know, you just got to try all different kinds of stuff and just let yourself experiment. So thank you for joining me today, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below and tap that bell notification and come on back for more fun videos. Thanks, and have a great day.